Hi, my name is Adrian Cabrerisa. Um, this assignment is about forecasting and modeling. So, basically, forecasting involves analyzing past and present data to predict future outcomes. It uses various methods, including statistical models, time series analysis, and qualitative techniques like expert opinions and surveys. The accuracy of forecasting is only as good as the quality of the data and the methods used and understanding of the influencing factors. Um, a very interesting topic that I think forecasting is very useful is mergers and acquisitions. Mergers and acquisitions is a field that I find really interesting within finance and the business world. It allows companies to grow inorganically to increase their market share, gain competitive advantages through accessing new technologies, talent, and customer distribution channels. It allows companies to diversify their operations, take advantage of economies of scale, to decrease costs and increase operational efficiencies. Financial forecasting plays a huge role in the M&A process, helping companies evaluate potential deals, evaluate risks, and plan for integration. Forecasting is essential for determining the fair value of the target company and setting an appropriate purchase price. This process involves analyzing historical financial statements, whether it be cash flows, whether it be earnings, and projecting future performance, estimating potential costs and revenue synergies, and creating a pro forma financial statement that combines both companies' financials. One of the primary objectives of M&A forecasting is to forecast the impact of the acquiring company's earnings per share, calculating whether the deal will be accretive, which means that it'll increase the earnings per share for the shareholders, or dilutive, which means that it'll decrease earnings per share, which means that the owners would have less percentage in the company. Under different scenarios, like it would do this assuming different scenarios under like a best case scenario, a base case scenario, and a worst case scenario. We also use forecasting to calculate accurate cash flow generation capacity for both companies before and after the merger, identifying any costs or revenue synergies and potential areas for operational improvements and their impact on future financial performance of the firm. We can also perform sensitivity analysis to test how changes in key assumptions of the model will affect the deal's outcomes to assess potential risk and opportunity. So over here, what I basically did was I just grabbed some like random cash flows just to project out some periods, like just so that we can project out period 8 forecast. So I grabbed some random cash flows for each period, and then I did a linear trend. I did a 3 period moving average and an exponential smoothing with an alpha of 0.2. Over here you can see my calculations for each of the different types of trends or forecasts. These are all my mean absolute deviations, squared errors, and mean absolute percentage errors. The best one considering the mean absolute percentage error was the linear trend, since it had the lowest basically percentage of error. So yeah, that's my forecast for this M&A assignment.